The Redmi Note 12 Ultra 5G is imagined as a next-level flagship killer, bringing extreme performance and premium features at an unbeatable value. It boasts a stunning 144Hz QHD Plus OLED display that delivers ultra-smooth animations, deep contrast, and vibrant colors, perfect for gaming, streaming, and everyday use. Powering the device is the Snapdragon 8's Elite processor combined with a massive 32GB of RAM and up to 2TB of storage, giving users blazing fast speed, effortless multitasking, and enormous space for all apps, games, and media. On the camera side, the Note 12 Ultra 5G steps into a new era with a monstrous 400MP sensor designed to capture incredible detail and exceptional low-light shots. Keeping everything running is an enormous 8,500 mAh battery supported by 120W fast charging, ensuring long battery life and incredibly quick recharging. Overall, the Redmi Note 12 Ultra 5G blends display quality, raw power, and camera innovation into a device built to dominate its class.